Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video. Now the Air Jordan 1 Patent Bred has caused a lot of us a lot of frustration and stress just trying to obtain the sneaker. Now, as a lot of you guys know, when it comes to men's pairs, it was more limited. It was kind of hard to get, almost impossible to get for retail. So I haven't yet actually seen these sneakers in person, but in today's video, I'm actually going to be unboxing these sneakers and looking at them for the very first time in person. And also, this sneaker is going to be restocking soon. It is confirmed, and we're going to be talking about that as well. And we start right now. Alright guys, so I actually purchased these from the Goat app. Now I did pay quite a lot of money for it. I actually did panic buy just because I wanted to get the sneakers so badly. Kind of regret that now because prices have seemed to be going down a little bit now that people have gotten their pairs in the mail. And I do think that most people that copped on release day were basically just trying to get it for the resale. I know people do like wearing the sneaker and stuff like that. It just seemed like a lot of people were just trying to resell it, which is actually causing the price to kind of tank a little bit right now. Not that, you know, it's cheap by any means, it's not. But, you know, Goat is my go-to. And I'm looking forward to this, guys, because I haven't yet seen these in person. You know, I've seen a lot of videos, I've seen a lot of pictures and stuff like that. But nothing like having the real deal in your hand right here with this shiny box. The official size tag on these joints read Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, varsity, red, white. This is a personal pair, size 8. Pop that lid off. Got that little number right there under the Nike check. You do get the Goat verified authentication and quality control right there. And you get, of course, like another Goat sticker that I have like 5,000 of these. But I'll take another one. White tissue paper in the box. Woo! Woo! Ooh, here it is. The Air Jordan 1 Patent Bred. Now my first impression of these sneakers right out of the box, these are fire. I mean, these are clean. Now one thing about these sneakers being all patent leather is it's gonna attract a lot of dust and stuff like that. You know what I mean? But, you know, overall, these are fire. Really, really nice sneaker. Really nice in person, man. I will tell you guys one thing though, be very careful if you haven't yet picked up a pair of these and you're on like Facebook Marketplace or Instagram or like anything like that, guys, because the fake pairs of these look exactly like the real ones, but you know, they're not exactly the same. There's always something wrong with the fakes, you know, where you can tell and stuff like that. I don't recommend buying fakes at all. Not a fan of it, but I mean, if you haven't yet picked these up and you're in the market for it, these are nice. Now guys, I'm going to give you like a very up close look of this sneaker, like a 360 look. I mean, these are so nice. I mean, is it worth all the hype? Probably not. You know what I mean? But if you like Air Jordan 1s and if you like Breds, I mean, you really can't go wrong with this sneaker right here. I mean, it just got just a very dope colorway. Inside of it, it does say family. Now, if you see fakes, like, they really don't get that right. The font's always wrong and stuff like that, but, you know, I don't know, guys. These are dope. I mean, like I said, is it really worth all the hype and all that stuff about the sneaker? Probably not, honestly. You know, you probably would be better off just buying, like, the OG Breds or something like that, you know, the regular leather ones. But these right here, these are special, man. These just shine, like, they just shine. They're definitely gonna, you know, stand out. They're definitely gonna turn heads, you know, if you wear these out in public. Now guys, these are going to be officially restocking. It is confirmed. It's going to be happening on January 19th on the FLX app store. So like Foot Locker and Champs and places like that. It's already uploaded up onto the app, so you can go, you know, pull out your phone and check it out right now. Now the thing about this restock is it's going to be for in-store pickup only. So it will not be shipped to you or anything like that, and it's going to be limited, guys. There's not going to be like a lot of pairs or anything like that, but you know, you might get lucky there. You might be able to pick up this sneaker right here for 170 bucks, which honestly right now is a steal. And but you know, just keep it in mind, guys, it is going to be limited. It's not going to be easy to obtain. Now with the restock that's happening, it's probably going to affect the resale market a little bit. So if you're still in the market for one of these, you know, maybe even a double up, you know, prices right now may be as good as they're gonna get. They may go down a few more dollars once they restock, but I don't think there's gonna be like a whole bunch of pairs out there to really make a real dent in the resale market that we're seeing right now for these. Now in my size, like the lower sizes, like 8, 8.5, 9, these are hovering around like that $300 mark, which, you know, they came down almost $100 from about a week ago, you know. So right now, you know, this might be a great time to pick the sneaker up, or in the very, very near future, because trust me, this sneaker is going to go up in value. This is easily going to be a $400 or $500 sneaker in a year or two from now, probably even more than that. I could see this sneaker easily doing $600, maybe $700 in the future. So you know, you're gonna be wishing that you pulled the trigger around like that $300 mark, $350. You know, because in the future, you know, it's gonna cost you a lot more to be able to pick this sneaker up. You're gonna be wishing you paid, you know, $300, $325 for a sneaker like this, or this sneaker right here, because, you know, the prices will go up. You know, people are holding these. These are gonna be a great hold. So, you know, I wouldn't flip these right now, guys. I would definitely hold on to these. You know, the sky's the limit for the Air Jordan 1 Patent Bred. Now to me, this is still double up worthy. I'm still trying to secure a second pair. I'm definitely gonna be trying to cop a pair through the Foot Locker restock. Hopefully my local Foot Locker does get a decent amount of pairs. I doubt it though, you know what I mean? I'm not holding my breath. So my strategy for this is to try to get into the restock on the Flex app. You know, hopefully I hit. If I don't, what I'll probably do is wait probably about 4 or 5 days after the release and probably cop another pair on GOAT or something like that, because, you know, I definitely want to wear one, and I definitely want to put one away for the future. You know, the Bred colorway, it's just a classic. It's definitely, you know, a black and red sneaker that I really, really love. So I definitely need 2 pairs. So that's going to be my strategy. Let me know down in the comments section, you know, if you were able to secure these. What are your plans with them? Are you trying to sell it? You know, is this, you know, for the collection? Is this for the tote? Let me know down in the comment section below. But guys, good luck on the Flex app restock. You know, I know it's going to be difficult, guys, but definitely put that footwork in. Definitely try to at least get the sneaker. I know it's going to be tough. I know it's probably not going to happen. You'll probably catch an L, just to be honest with you. But, you know, you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. So definitely at least still try to go after it, so you at least have a chance to pick it up for retail. I'd like to thank you all for your time. Thank you for stopping over here and checking out another one of my videos. I really do appreciate you guys. And until next time, peace.